Stock Index Portfolio 25 hit a brand new equity peak today, had the largest winning day in its history, 34,967.50. Let's take a look at the calcs here. 34,967.50 was the gain on the day. We're trading 60% of this in the 200K portfolio, 6 micros instead of 1 E-mini. And so we were up about 21K on the day, and just really nice gains, bringing us to new equity peaks. In the 200K, we were in about a 10K drawdown. Let's look at the drawdown curve, and that was right here. And then we ran up to equity peaks today, so good gains. Now, the NASDAQ was only up 2.8% today. What was the difference in today's trade? I want to show you that. Many times when you see the NASDAQ up 334, the S&P up what it was today, you get a gap up. You start with a gap up, say to about this level right here, and then you get this move right here. And today we started out right at the previous day's close, and we've been doing that more. It seems like we've been starting closer to the previous day's close, which I like, rather than having a big gap up and then just chop. And so that was beneficial to us today. The move was outstanding. I thought that this market could move higher to 12,500. I think maybe energy prices must have weighed on it as the day went on. I'm not sure. But the market has been choppy, and then we got this trend. And here's tick pullback. Here is what the 25K portfolio looks like. It includes 15 trading systems. You see the NASDAQ strategies here. 9 for 10 today on those, and 3 for 4 on the S&P. There's 10 S&P strategies. There are 15 NASDAQ strategies. And you can trade these in micros or minis. The latest adjustment was made on April the 12th. Let's look at the results since then. April the 12th, we started trading this, and it had a daily P&L of 1360 that day. All we did on April the 12th was change the stop loss on a gap continuation strategy. There was only one change from our previous portfolio setup. So just a stop loss change on one system. It's made 1, 2. When you see the 0 drawdown, it's at equity peaks, and this is in the calcs tab. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brand new equity peaks. 5 in April. Then we've had 1, 2, 3, almost an equity peak right there. And then it went to a drawdown. So it's pretty much an equity peak and then a drawdown. So it's good to start on a drawdown. When you start trading, you want to get set up and then trade in paper mode until you know what you're doing, and then start on a drawdown, and then you can trade it to equity peaks. It's difficult to trade in and out once you get started, but starting or adding, you certainly want to take advantage of drawdowns to start trading, because those are cyclical, and you can see that in the drawdown curve right here. And this portfolio has been very consistent this year. We originally released the first revision in March. We made 1 stop loss adjustment in April, and so it's very consistent on the monthly profit. So it's really in tune with this market, and always working on new strategies, always aware of market changes. We never get to the point where we think that the portfolios are perfect. We're always working on it, and so wanted to share with you today the equity peaks that we had in the Stock Index Portfolio 25.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.